What is culture? Is this a corporate buzzword? Let me share a simple definition of culture. Culture is the shared values and beliefs of colleagues that guide our discretionary behavior in ways that are beneficial for the sustained excellence of Greif. As a company guided by the Greif way, with a focus on servant leadership, action bias, and belonging, we know it is our people who make this possible on a daily basis. Anyone can create a packaging solution. No one can replicate our engaged colleagues in the marketplace. As a company with ambitious goals, we all know that our success begins with your success. Our data indicates that teams led by engaged managers have an engagement ratio of 8:1, which is more than double the ratio of teams led by disengaged managers. To put it another way, this means that when we give colleagues what they need, they return the favor by creating and maintaining a culture that allows us to set and achieve ambitious goals.